officially done it. You just need one last more night in there. I know things have been hectic for you, but you can do it, man. If you can make it out alive, Bud is done for.
Oh, hi there, Jerry. Yeah, enough talking from your little pal over there. It's time for me to talk now.
Oh god, what the heck?
Weren't expecting this, were you? Your friend talks so loud when he's outside, I could hear him from across the street. It wasn't hard to hear your phone number and what your plans were. You guys are idiots, you know that?
Well, you know what? Yeah, I've been deleting your videos. I've been sneaking around right under your nose, and you didn't even realize until now. Joke's on you, my friend. Looks like you're the idiot here. Calling yourself the next genius. What a joke.
No. We are not friends. And yes, I commend you for getting this far. I didn't expect someone to hate my channel to the point of breaking into my house to delete videos. You've wiped away my work, but I can assure you, this will be your last night in my house. I provided enough hospitality. No more deleting for you. We're all coming out to play tonight, and we will find you. Me, Mickey, Mac, Rapid, and Pigsty. All of us against you. We still don't know where you are, but we will find you tonight. I wouldn't say the odds are exactly in your favor.
Challenge accepted, scrub.
One more thing before I leave to come find you. Blasted, I'm frozen in this chair until I end the call. Anyways, you doing this has made me really angry. And when I get really angry, it awakens things. Terrible memories from the past. The darkest memory of all those roaming around tonight. That ugly, thick little... Good thing I don't have any litter truffles lying around. I know he'll find you. And when he does, he'll alert me. And I'll know exactly where you are. You are dead meat. Not like James, though. He's actually good at what he does.
Bring it. I've made it this far, and I will beat you. Your channel sucks and so do you.
GG easy, kiddo.
Jerry? Jerry! Are you still there? Oh, thank God. You went dead for a couple minutes. Thought, never mind. What happened? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Your call was interrupted by our mutual friend. He's going tryhard mode now. It's time to end this. I'll meet you down the street once I'm done here.
Jerry, just please be careful.
Alright,
Get out of my
Get it
studio.
over with and get you. But this, my friend, is video game logic.
Alright, I'll do it.
Come on, forget it.
I question our life choices.
I ordered my wings 3 hours ago. Where are they?
Don't know what else to say, so I'm saying this out of pure randomness.
Alright,
Get out of my studio.
Never mind.
Ooh, my chicken wings. Video done rendering? Gee, it's been 2 hours.
Garbage everything there. Look at my first vlog.
Ah, god damn, that's bright!
Creeped out.
Alright,
What
next
else
song.
to say, so I'm just saying this out of pure randomness.
Oh, I got a good rank on that one too.
Ooh, my chicken wings.
Why is it in these situations we're always stood in the same spot for so long?
Kind of awkward to even know that it already...
Oh, look at the time. It's 3 a.m. Oh, we're halfway there.
Alright, next song.
Match, you can't do anything about it. This is
Nope, nothing in there.
Not half bad.
I ordered my wings 3 hours ago. Where are they?
better be getting paid for this.
We've done a few, and
Is that video done rendering? Gee, it's been too...
Ooh, my chicken wings.
Never mind.
Ah, god damn, that's bright!
Alright,
Ordered my
next song.
wings 3 hours ago.
forget
Where
it.
are they? Winston, get out of my studio. Ooh, my chicken wings.
You would
I
expect
just can't
me
see
to
the
just
upload.
get it
I have
over
to save
with
the
and
channel.
get you. But this, my friend, is video game logic.
Nope, nothing in there.
Is that video done rendering? Gee, it's been 2 hours.
I ordered my wings 3... Ooh, my chicken wings.
Ah, god damn, that's bright!
Alright,
Winston,
next
get out
song.
of my
Get it
studio.
over with and get you.
Never
But
mind.
this, my friend, is video game logic.
I ordered my
Just can't
wings
seem to
3
upload.
hours ago. Where are they?
Why is it in these situations we're always stood in the same spot for so long? Ah, god damn, that's bright!
What a weird bunch of people we are. Nope.
Nah, it's freaking BS, man.